Hey traders, welcome back to Easy Trading Tips. Today we will talk about one of the most profitable candlestick pattern that gives us a more profit target than all other candlestick patterns. Today I will also tell you the easiest way to trade this pattern. We call this pattern the inverted hammer because it is the reverse form of the hammer candlestick pattern. It works the same way as hammer, but it gives double profit than hammer. Today we will learn how to identify the perfect inverted hammer and the success rate of this pattern. So let's get started. The inverted hammer candlestick pattern converts a downtrend to an uptrend, but all inverted hammers cannot convert a downtrend to an uptrend. Only a perfect inverted hammer candlestick pattern can turn a downtrend to an uptrend. Today we will learn how to identify a 100% perfect inverted hammer pattern. Before determining a 100% perfect inverted hammer, we should first determine the shape of this pattern. After any red candle, if a green candle is formed with a small lower body and a longer upper leg, then we call this pattern inverted hammer. When an inverted hammer appears at the bottom of a downtrend, most traders buy securities and profit from trading. They can make money only when the inverted hammer becomes 100% perfect. Let's take a look at the conditions for forming a 100% perfect inverted hammer. This is easy to identify, only we have to remember these three very simple conditions. Number 1, there should be a small green body with longer upper leg. The size of the leg should be at least twice the size of the body. And the leg of the inverted hammer must crush 80% of the body of the previous red candle. Number 2, there should be a small lower leg, but the length of the leg should not be greater than this pattern. Number 3, the inverted hammer must be formed in the support or oversold area or after 3 or more red candles. These 3 points are very important for determining a 100% perfect inverted hammer candlestick pattern, which gives a 90% success rate. Let's take a look at some examples of the success rate of inverted hammer candlestick pattern. This is 100% perfect because this pattern has all three conditions. And when you get this pattern in the support or oversold area, this pattern will provide a 90% success rate. It is also a perfect inverted hammer. Everything is same, but there should be a little lower leg that is not here. So the success rate of this pattern is about 75%. This candlestick is also the same, but the lower leg of the candlestick is slightly longer than the required length. So the success rate of this pattern is also about 75%. The leg of this pattern is shorter than needed. The leg must be at least twice the size of the actual body. This is not here. So the success rate of this pattern is less than 60%. This pattern is good, but the body is very small. So the success rate of this pattern is about 60%. This is also same, but there is no real body. So the success rate of this pattern is also about 60%. We should only trade this pattern to get more success rate. Now I will tell you the easiest way to trade using this pattern. First, apply the 20 period Bollinger Band. We will use this band to use simple support and resistance. Now you should only search the inverted hammer at the lower line of the Bollinger Band. When you get a perfect inverted hammer signal, you should check these two confirmations. Number 1, there must be at least 3 red candles before the inverted hammer. Number 2, those red candles should come from above the middle band. I told you at the beginning of this video that the inverted hammer provides more profit targets than all other patterns because in this pattern we can use the minimum stop loss. Suppose you got a perfect inverted hammer here. First of all, after getting a 100% perfect signal, we should set a stop loss here, just below the leg of the inverted hammer. If the low of the previous red candle is slightly longer than the low of the inverted hammer, then we should place the stop loss at the low of the red candle. If the lowest price of the red candle is longer than this, then we should ignore this signal. Otherwise, our stop loss will be greater. After setting the stop loss, we should set a profit target. The profit target should be at least twice the stop loss. If you also get horizontal support and trendline support, you can then set a profit target at a ratio of 1:4. In the next video, we will learn about hanging man candlestick pattern. Thank you for watching.